Hello everyone, this is Hassan with HandyBros and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to fix a water shut-off valve which doesn't closes the water or shut off the water when you completely turn it clockwise, Like I just turned it clockwise but the water still kind of flows through it. So we'll show you how to fix it without actually changing the entire valve. So the first thing is turn off the water so that when I remove it, it doesn't flow the water out, So make sure you have turned off the water to the valve. We had a shut-off valve here that kind of supplies the hot water pretty much the entire home. So we'll shut off this here and it will close off the water. This shut-off valve in our home is for water to the laundry sink and the laundry itself. So let's get started. So we actually drained our line, so there shouldn't be any water, but I'll still keep some paper towel handy just in case there is any residual water. There's a lot of water, maybe I just hold a small bucket, So this is what we just took out, So this was the nut that we kind of opened, it kind of screwed out. This nut here is for the packing between this stamp and this valve assembly. So if you have a water coming out from here or leaking from here, then this is what you need to repair. So you need to open this up. This valve assembly probably would come out. You have to replace the packing. You have to remove the screw and then put this back in. But in our case, if you see closely right here, you can see the washer, the rubber washer, there is nothing left here. This is what happens when I screw it up. The rubber washer attached to this screw kind of makes the seal and closes off the water, and you can see there is no rubber washer left. So what I'm going to do is just remove the screw, remove the residual old washer, put the new one, tighten the screw, and we should be good to go. This is the new washer that we'll be adding, the rubber washer. I'm going to include a link to a washer from Denko. That's a very useful and handy kit because it contains a lot of washer, different types and different styles that you should always have that handy at home for easy, quick DIY fixes. Next, I'm going to add some Teflon tape along these threads here. There's supposed to be a washer, very thin, that could sit here, but maybe that's kind of all right here. Oh, okay. So here's it. We have the washer. It's already in a pretty bad shape. So I'm going to just leave that washer there. Maybe just put it here and add some Teflon tape as well, just to kind of reinforce it, Alrighty, we are good to go. Alright, moment of truth. It's time to test the water. Alright, so seems like our valve is working now perfectly. For these type of valves with the rubber washer, my advice is that when you close it off, don't apply too much pressure. When you close it, just a little bit of hand tight and that's it. Because if you apply too much pressure, the rubber gets compressed and compressed and compressed, and then eventually it kind of breaks, And rubber with the over time gets a little brittle and it easily breaks away, So, alrighty. As you can hear the water. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something and feel confident that you can fix your shut off valve at home. You don't need to call a plumber. It's a very simple basic fix. Make sure to check our other videos on our channel related to some electrical work, plumbing work, some outdoor. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do consider so that you can get notified for any new content, any new video that comes up. Once again, thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.